Historic and traditional homes are a defining feature of New Orleans neighborhoods. From classic architectural details to carefully preserved exteriors, these homes tell a story that homeowners are proud to maintain. When it comes to window updates, the challenge is finding options that respect the home's original character while improving comfort and functionality. Awning Windows offer a thoughtful solution that blends seamlessly into historic and traditional New Orleans home designs. Why window choice matters in historic homes. Older homes were built with specific proportions, trim styles, and layouts that give them their charm. Choosing the wrong window style can disrupt these details and change the home's appearance. In New Orleans, awning windows are well suited to historic homes because of their understated design. They enhance functionality without overpowering architectural features that homeowners want to preserve. Subtle design that respects traditional architecture. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a clean, compact profile when closed. In traditional New Orleans homes, this low-profile appearance works well with decorative trim, wood siding, and classic masonry. Awning windows can be placed discreetly so they complement the home rather than compete with it. Ideal for smaller and higher wall openings. Many historic homes feature smaller or higher set windows, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and secondary rooms. Awning windows fit naturally into these spaces. For New Orleans homeowners, they provide ventilation where needed without requiring large openings or altering original wall layouts. Preserving exterior character while improving comfort. One concern homeowners often have is whether new windows will change the look of the exterior. Awning windows can be designed to align with existing window groupings and proportions. In New Orleans homes, they often blend seamlessly with traditional window arrangements, maintaining the exterior's historic charm while quietly improving indoor comfort. Supporting ventilation in older home layouts. Historic homes weren't always designed with modern airflow in mind. Kitchens and bathrooms, in particular, can benefit from improved ventilation. Awning windows allow warm, humid air to escape naturally. In New Orleans homes, this helps manage indoor moisture while keeping interiors more comfortable without changing the home's original structure. Improving comfort without disrupting interior design. Inside historic homes, every design detail matters, from molding to wall finishes. Awning windows don't intrude into the room when open, preserving interior layouts. New Orleans homeowners appreciate that awning windows allow airflow without interfering with furniture placement, cabinetry, or decorative elements. Enhancing usability of window side spaces. Drafts or poor ventilation can make window-adjacent areas uncomfortable. Awning windows help stabilize indoor conditions. In New Orleans homes, this makes seating, work areas, and cooking spaces near windows more pleasant and usable throughout the day. A practical choice for sensitive renovations. Historic and traditional homes often require careful updates rather than dramatic changes. Awning windows support this approach by offering functional upgrades that feel subtle and intentional. For New Orleans homeowners, they provide a way to modernize comfort without sacrificing authenticity or visual harmony. Long-term performance with timeless appeal. Awning windows are designed to perform reliably over time. Their simple operation and tight seal help maintain comfort year after year. In historic New Orleans homes, this long-term reliability adds value without compromising the timeless look homeowners want to protect. Honoring the past while enhancing everyday living. Updating a historic home is about balance, preserving character while improving livability. For homeowners in New Orleans, awning windows offer that balance. They respect traditional design, support better airflow, and enhance comfort in a way that feels natural and appropriate. By choosing awning windows, homeowners can honor the past while enjoying a more comfortable home today.